Level up your snacks with these Taki Chicken Dippers. They're about to become your new obsession. Crunchy, fiery, and unbelievably easy. You're going to absolutely love these. First up, get yourself a bag of Takis. Doritos work as well and give them a good crush. Then in a bowl, let's whip up this marinade mixture. Next, take your chicken breasts, pat it dry. This helps with extra crispiness. Now, carefully butterfly it open. Get it sliced into finger-sized strips. Perfect for dipping. Toss your chicken strips into that delicious marinade, making sure every piece is well coated. Give it a good mix and set it aside for about 20 minutes and let those flavors permeate. Now time for the star of the show. Take your marinated chicken breast and press each strip firmly into the crushed Takis. You want a really good even coating all over for maximum crunch and flavor. And into the air fryer we go. Cook these little fellas for about 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, making sure you flip them about halfway for an even crisp. And there you have it, golden, crunchy, and packed with that amazing Taki flavored kick. Serve these up with your favorite dipping sauce, whether that's Cool Ranch, spicy mayo, or something else completely. Get stuck in. And don't forget to follow for more recipes like this.